Headmistress told me so much about you, and now at last we meet. In the name of Hades, Olympus, I accept this message.
You look just like your mother. I'll not lose her again. I shall freeze hell in its entirety if that is what it takes to get her back. You'll help me, won't you, granddaughter?
Grandmother. All of you gather round. Suffer no more.
Within mist-shrouded labyrinthine Erebus lie countless souls of the dead, awaiting judgment that shall never come.
They'll be judged soon enough. Face me. They're slowing down. A centaur heart. Ash of the dead. A soul tonic. This one again. For what you did to me. You're one of my father's brothers, aren't you? Then help him. In the name of Hades, Olympus, I accept this message.
My long-lost niece, you live! We thought you met the same fate as your father, and your mother, and your brother. Oh. Well, how about we turn the tide and exact terrible revenge for poor old Hades and his kin?
May all our enemies drown.
The ever-restless shades of Erebus find little peace there, save for the prickly embrace of the gnarled branches of those writhing woods.
Am I fighting the spirits or the woods? Silk cocoons. Who's there? I can't. Almost finished. Farther than last time. Enough. Good. Ensnared. Golden coins. Not now. That breathing. I'm in your debt, Lord Charon. These provisions surely shall make all the difference in my task. What gold I find is yours. This one, please.
You really have to pay that Charon character in these situations? What sort of daft system is that? What, no blessings for the poor? Doesn't seem fair at all.
Flame of the Hearth. Headmistress.
There she is. Welcome to the edge of Erebus. Well done, Melinoe.
Thank you, Headmistress Hecate. I could not have reached this point without your guidance.
And in turn, you shall not pass this point without a demonstration of your capability.
My capability? You'd have us face each other here, even though my task has already begun.
Your training shall never be complete. And I would know if you stand any chance at all against our enemy. Crossed flames, awaken! Threefold! Evade! Past, present, future! Well done. Arise, sisters! Bathe in flame. Triple divide. Let's see you evade this. Good. A hex upon you. Good. Burn. Aski on Kataski. take no joy in this, I hope you know.
So blasted close. Phrynos, how can I ever beat the headmistress? This memory of all you lost. It stokes your want for vengeance even now.
Who dares? Gah, a scourge upon your bloodline for resummoning me, witch!
Hey, everything okay there, Mel?
Oh, yes, Dora. It's just... I should have gone farther that time. I'll give more notes on your haunting later, all right?
Oh, sure.
The cauldron's ready for me now.
At least our cauldron's finally purified, praise the fates. Speaking of which, are you as yet considering an invocation to them? I have my doubts that they would listen even now.
If there's any chance the Three Fates shall aid us, I'll take it. Thank you for preparing things for me. Though I'm well short of freshly picked reagents still.
I'd offer such reagents if I could, but as you venture past this glade, look carefully along your path and you shall find them. Fate's willing.
Yes, Headmistress. Be well, Headmistress.
And you, Malinois.
Last night I dreamt of this. Dark of chaos, light of moon, heed now my will.
So mote it be.
So mote it be. Odysseus out checking on reports.
Princess. Wondered why Hecate took off all of a sudden. Was just to get in your way. Send you crying home. Guess she doesn't want you to succeed.
She expects me to be prepared for whatever lies ahead.
You're such a pushover sometimes.
Strength and wisdom of my predecessors. The Titan. The Furies. Ready for more. The arms of night are now at my disposal. Or shall be, soon enough. The Crescent Pick. Reveal to me the bounties of the earth.
It shall serve you well. Ah, there she is again at last.
The Crossroads training grounds are watched over by fearless seafarer Skelemius, famed in death as he was famed in life.
We cannot fail with such a genius on our side.
Nope. Being a shadowy denizen of the underworld comes with certain perks, young one. Take, for instance, how, when you dash, nothing can touch you.
We are the unseen, at one with the darkness and the dead. I can evade anything, yes, but only for a moment, and even then, I can't prevail by dodging all night long.
Yeah, I'd do it all the time if I was you. See the little trail when you dash? Once it snaps back, you're good to go again.
The shadow follows.